welcome back to my channel. So in the video today I'm going to be looking at the new DJI Flyapp 1.12.8. So this is the new interface on the phone. So this is the DJI new Flyapp 1.12.8. So just going to go through the features on this new update on the DJI Flyapp. So let's get straight into it. This is the new interface. So as you can see, this is what happens when you load it up on the drone. So you've got it all there, so it looks all new. Know before you fly. So if I type in Manchester, it shows you all the locations as well. So this will show you the locations of where other people have flew their drone. It tells you recommended places as well of where you can fly your drone. So that's a really good feature on there. Then also you've got like a quick transfer, but I don't think this is going to work, so I'll just click on that. Coming up now, just click on the services, get rid of that. So click on services. So you've got all the services here, service request, DJI Care. I'm just going to show you this other feature on here where it's got larger text. So I'll just show you that now. So if you go into the main screen, click on the three dots, see there, scroll down a little bit, see standard and larger text, and let me just have a look through here. So everything looks normal. Like I said, you got that new standard and larger text, so that's a good feature. Just makes the text a bit bigger. So everything looks all right so far in there. We'll try this out. So yeah, nothing seems to have changed. Okay, so that was just a quick video on the new update on the DJI Flyapp 1.12.8. So it's got some really good features on there. They've updated it and it looks really good. So I'm going to try that out on my drone. I hope you liked the video. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. That would be much appreciated to my channel, BKM Tech Reviews. So see you soon.